Don't quit it, babe. Stop. We're back in the OG garage. A lot of us don't know how to do tint, so I thought I'd show you guys how to do a tint strip, which is so simple and so basic. But you know, I told you guys I'm gonna film some stuff, so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna be doing a tint strip. Everything's just not going right now. So we're gonna be doing a tint strip on the M4. I've been needing one because I actually got my front windshield tinted by Kimball's Tint Works, which check them out if you need any tint. He's got you. Literally the best. He did a great job on my car. But we're at Kimball's Tint Works headquarters now, and we're about to film a video. So we got my handy dandy belt that you need when you're a tinter. Don't forget your belt because it's essential to making this happen. So now that we have our belt, come on over here. How you gonna cuff?
I'm sorry, bro.
We gotta go into this magical box right here and pull out this guy right here. We're gonna spray the window. I'm coming over here. Then we're gonna roll this motherfucker out. And also, this is already a pre-cut one, so like that's what's easy for me. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in my car to see if I like what I see. See where it's sitting right now, but we're gonna cut in 2 pieces. And also, I don't like how low it is on the side, so I'm gonna make sure it's like how it is right here and make it straight. Is it recording?
You're just standing there looking at me. I'm like looking at the camera.
Okay, so you gotta get your blade. And I'm gonna cut down the center to make it easier for me. Which I need a banquito because I can't reach. It's not cutting. More blade. Where's my window?
No, you're not.
Am I going straight? Is it straight?
I don't know.
Am I going?
Just keep going.
Yeah, is it going? It's going. I don't think it's straight. Oh well. I think I scratched my window. Guys, look at this carbon fiber though. Like, damn. Who's mom? We just moved it to make it fit perfect because it has to be cut in half because this thing right here. Hey, didn't see you there. So if you come inside the car now, you're gonna see the way it's gonna look and you're gonna ask yourself, can I see? Yes, I can. And then you're good. We're gonna get our squeegee. You're gonna hold the window and you're gonna slide this in the center to tack it down. And then like that. And then same all the way to the bottom. Like that. Hey, so now hey, so now that we have that, I know I'm short, leave me alone. I can't really see over. This is why when I wash my car, I need a banquito. You're gonna need a second person for this. Once you get your second person, they're gonna hold the light on the inside so you can see and you can go ahead and start cutting off the edges of this. Otherwise, it ain't gonna turn out great. So grab your second person. So we gotta turn off the lights for this in order for you guys to see. Otherwise, I'm not gonna be able to see that.
Like this.
Now that we're all done cutting it out, sorry you guys, I had to turn off the lights for this. We are going to shrink it now. Okay, so now we're about to shrink this. Let's see how this goes, y'all. Wish me luck. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the next side. It's fun. Hey, so now you need your squeegee, spray bottle, and you're gonna get in the inside of your car and you're gonna clean it off. Okay, so usually you would use a razor to clean it, but since I already have my front windshield tinted, we can't do that. So no razors for us.
See, folks, and this is exactly how hair gets in the tint.
Okay, so now we're gonna wet the inside. And we're gonna grab the tint. Be careful with this part. Oi! As I almost drop it. Pizza, pizza. Okay, now that we got it spot on, we're gonna use our squeegee. Thank you. Spotlight. First we gotta wet it, and then we use our squeegee. Ever so slightly. You want to get the water out. Concentration. Now that we're done, we're gonna clean our window. Our window. The fuck was that? Our window. We're gonna clean our window. So my camera actually died while I was filming this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tint strip video. I actually have tinted a window before myself. One window. One window. But I didn't tint my car. Kimball's Tint Works tinted my car, so if you guys need tint, I will go ahead and link his Instagram down below so you guys can go ahead and check that out. But I will show you guys what it looks like. Grape. Very grape. Anyways, I will be posting more videos soon. I actually have a lot of... Oh my gosh, it's dusty. It's dusty. I'll be posting more videos soon. I actually have a couple videos left to post. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.